All right, today's job is across the street. My neighbor's asked me to help clean this siding so he can restain it. Got a little helper today. Oliver, are you gonna help me pressure wash the side of the house? Hey? I'm gonna get you to carry the hose over, all right? And you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna push the machine right across. Are you ready to get started? Give me 5, you're ready. All right, let's do it. So I was really weighing my options, trying to figure out what's the easiest way to do this. And rather than bring the big truck and trailer, I'm just gonna wheel one of my pressure washers over there and we'll use that. Okay, not a big scope today. It's just gonna be the side of this house here. Just gonna soap it up, rinse it off with hot water, and that way you can restain it. So what am I gonna use today? I got the smaller hot pressure washer here, 4 gallons a minute. Just running it now to get all the air out of the lines. Just gonna use a concentrated soap, dilute it into the bucket. I've got an X-Jet to apply it to the surface, just a shotgun. Pressure valve, turn it on and off, and I have one of these, so 4 gallons a minute. It should be okay reaching that peak. This will just help give it a bit more distance to rinse everything off. that's it. I got to help out my neighbor, bring my kid along, and we all had a little fun. Thanks for watching. I got a lot more exciting stuff coming up, so stay tuned.